What is self-love? Self-love means that you accept yourself fully, treat yourself with kindness and respect, and nurture your growth and well-being. You have to love yourself if you want to be happy. You can't be loving yourself all the time, because that would be unrealistic. It means that you don't have to be positive all the time. For example, you may temporarily feel upset, angry, or disappointed with yourself and still love yourself. How to cultivate self-love. Being kind to yourself is the most important thing you can do to make this world a better place. Being assertive, setting boundaries and practicing self-care and self-love are all key ways to make this world a better place. 1. Process your fear. Like when you do anything, it feels natural and human. You have to take them in mind, but you don't have to avoid it or be afraid of the consequences. If you want to be able to overcome your fears, you need to interrogate them and assess whether they're real or imaginary. Then, you can move forward and get on with living your life without fear. 2. Allow yourself to make mistakes. Let go of perfectionism and learn to make mistakes. We're told again and again from a young age no one's perfect, everyone makes mistakes. Don't cut yourself some slack. Making mistakes is part of life. Embrace your past. You're always changing and growing from who you once were into who you are today and who you will be one day. We know that your goals are important, but the way to success is to give yourself permission to make mistakes. These are the lessons that will bring you success. 3. Don't be afraid to let go of toxic people. It is important to let go of people who are not responsible and refuse to take responsibility. You may need to distance yourself from them. Be courageous and take yourself out of situations and the company of people who drain your energy.